Ever wondered how Careem became one of the UAE's biggest success stories? In just a few years, this homegrown app changed the way we move around cities and redefined convenience. From a small startup to a regional giant, Careem's journey is a masterclass business blueprint for entrepreneurs looking to break into the on-demand industry. In this video, we uncover how Careem did it, and what you can learn if you're looking to launch a business like Careem. Let's break down the 4 key lessons that can help you build the next big thing. Careem didn't just replicate other ride-hailing apps. They spotted a gap in reliable transportation in the region and tailored their services for the Middle East. They understood the local issues, like unreliable transportation, and provided a solution customized to the region's unique needs. Localized solutions are key to making your app relevant. Careem didn't just rely on taxis. It built a scalable tech platform that could handle high demand with ease. From real-time tracking to payment integration, they leveraged technology to streamline the user experience. By introducing features like in-app payments and ride tracking, Careem ensured customers had a seamless and safe experience, elements that keep users coming back. Happy customers are loyal customers. This is the backbone of any business. Careem didn't just offer rides, they built a brand that connected with users on a cultural level. By understanding the region's values, they connected with their users on a deeper level, creating loyalty and trust, making it stand out against global giants. The success of Careem is more than just about ride-hailing. It's about understanding your market, leveraging the right technology, and delivering a great customer experience. Are you ready to take these lessons and build the next big app in the UAE? Start your journey today. Build your next big app like Careem with quick works.